Hello and welcome to my Easy Cookie Kitchen, or ECK for short. This month we'll be making Bhaja, as my family calls it, or Bhaji as you might see it online. It's a gluten-free, vegan and vegetarian-friendly dish. So, let's go. Here's what you'll need. Start by slicing the onion into strips. It's already showing us how to slice it. Make sure to separate it as much as you can. Set it aside and let's make the batter. I'm making it in batches, so I've used half the amount on this video. To the chickpea flour, add the turmeric, salt and pepper and mix well. Now add the water till you get an even batter. For more uses for chickpea flour, check out this video. It should look something like this. To that, add the sliced onions and combine till all of it is coated. I forgot to hit record for the first two, but you'll forgive me, right? Make sure the oil is hot and then take a handful and drop it in gently. You can use a spoon if you don't want to get your hands covered in the batter. It takes about a minute or so and it's ready. This one I had to show you, because it reminded me of the alien facehugger. You can eat it as is with sriracha or chutney, up to you. I was so hungry I couldn't show a proper like. Let me know in the comments below how delicious yours turned out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. But most importantly, bon appetit!